Hi CordaRoys family! How exciting! Your new pet bed has arrived. This tutorial will guide you through the unpacking and assembly of your CordaRoys Forever pet bed. First, let's open the box and remove the contents. The cover will be in a clear plastic zipper pouch. The insert will be flattened and rolled in several layers of plastic. To remove the plastic, it's okay to use scissors if you're careful not to slice open the liner. You can also pull the plastic apart with your hands to be safe. It's important to understand that the foam will feel and look flat once it's been removed from the packaging. While your pet can begin using the pet bed as soon as the first day, it can take several days to fully fluff up depending on the size you purchased. While the insert is fluffing up, it's okay to slip the pet bed cover on and zip it up. The insert will continue to expand while your pet happily snoozes away. If an accident occurs, don't worry. Our Forever pet beds have a waterproof cover which will protect the top and bottom of the insert. The sides are not waterproof, and this allows for breathability. To wash the outer cover, set your washing machine to the cold water setting, and any detergent and fabric softener will work just fine. After washing, use a no heat setting to tumble dry the cover, or to maximize longevity, hang it up to dry. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team.